In this video, we are going to see some of the real review from the real customer of Wyze Cam Pan. And as you can see, the first review is amazing picture features, ease of use at this low price. How does it stack up against Nest? Similarly, our second review is so much functionality for 30 bucks. Wow. Similarly, our third customer review is you can view anywhere from your phone, no temperature detection required. Float, these are the game changers. Best bang for the buck. Fantastic little Wi-Fi security cam, cheap and works great so far. Amazing product. Wyze cameras, amazing product for amazing prices. So you can get this Wyze cam on Amazon. I'll give the link of this product in the description of this video, and you can also download the installation manual, user guide and specifications. It is extremely easy to install this Wyze Cam Pan. As you can see, here is total altogether 56,859 ratings, so it is one of the popular product. Similarly, this is the exact product, and it is also a Amazon's choice product, and it cost you nearly $38. You can deselect it to reduce the total price, or you can select this and you will be paying 82.97. This is, I think, Alexa device. To order this Wyze Cam Pan, you can simply scroll down this YouTube video that you are watching right now, and you will see a link. You can simply click on it and you will visit to the exact this page, and you can order from there. You can also read more reviews about this amazing product, because at the time you are watching this video, there must be lots of reviews that this product have acquired, and you can watch those reviews too. This much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.